Hello friends, I Payal Gupta, Assistant Professor in Biani Group of College, welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. And I am going to deliver my lecture on PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. Generally PCR is a cell-free cloning and it is the in vitro amplification of target DNA sequence present in a bulky source of DNA molecule, or we can say that it is a versatile in vitro specific amplification of target DNA sequence. Firstly, it is postulated by Kary-Mullis in 1985 for selective amplification of specific target DNA sequence. Some prior knowledge is required. So we can firstly in PCR we have to design a primer. Basically primer is 15 to 25 nucleotide long sequence, but it is necessary that the primer bind to a specific DNA sequence, so that some rules for primer designing. First is primer length. Primer not be short or not be too long, because if we use short primer it can be hybridized anywhere in DNA sequence, but if we use long primer the hybridization take long time. Now the second step is base composition. The base composition, the GC content in primer should be 40 to 60%, and one point which is always carry in our mind, that is all 4 nucleotides are equally distributed in primers. Third is melting point. Melting point means the TM value. TM value is which value which the DNA molecule is half open up. That is the less than 5 degrees Celsius, means the difference between the two primers temperature is less than 5 degrees Celsius. And these two oligoprimers, or we can say these two nucleotides or amplifiers, is called as rapid and forward primer and reverse primer. Now the reaction cycle. The basically DNA amplification process contain a series of reaction cycle, in which first step is denaturation. Denaturation of DNA strands means the double stranded DNA now open up strands are isolated, and this temperature should be 93 to 95 degree Celsius temperature. Second is primer annealing temperature. This is 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, but it's depend on the TM value. TM value, if the TM value is 65 degrees Celsius, so we use the 60 degrees Celsius temperature, that is less than 5 degrees Celsius. And we can also calculate the TM value of the primer by using this formula, that is 4 multiplied by G plus C plus 2A plus D Celsius. Now the third step is DNA synthesis, and the temperature for DNA synthesis or DNA polymerization should be 70 to 75 degrees Celsius temperature. In DNA synthesis temperature we use the polymerization reaction. For this enzyme are used. We use the TAG DNA polymerase, which is thermostable DNA polymerase, because it is stable at 94 degrees Celsius temperature and optimum working temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. Or other enzymes we can use PFU and BSTE. Now in the first step, the DNA, target DNA, this is the target DNA, and the denaturation step, 93 to 95 degrees Celsius temperature, the two strands are separated. Then the primer is annealed, that is reverse primer or forward primer. Now this third step is a DNA synthesis step, in which TAG DNA polymerase synthesize the DNA. Now we can calculate the PCR product by using this formula, that is the final DNA product, initial DNA strand, and N is the number of PCR cycle. For more details you can log on our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you and thank you.